Is there a kind of correlation between our famous coronavirus infection and testosterone levels? Are people with low T more prone to infection in general, maybe? And so is TRT protecting or stimulating immunity?
Right.
This video is sponsored by MeWe, the #1 pick for men on TRT. Shop now at MeWe using the link in the description under this video.
It's really hard to say because I don't think anyone's ever going to do a study on that, like particularly looking at like the beneficial or the benefits of androgen treatment for preventing coronavirus. No one is ever going to fund that study ever. It would be amazing if they did. What I have seen anecdotally is I've seen the guys who are on cycle, like guys who use super physiological levels, get absolutely wrecked by COVID. Like I've had guys mid-cycle who like couldn't get up off the floor. Just completely, literally floored by this stuff. Because when you go into super physiological territory of androgens, you can suppress some immune function, you can suppress glucocorticoid steroid activation, and that's when you can start to run into some issues. But assuming that we're talking about TRT and we're talking about the difference between like hypogonadism and then optimal male testosterone levels, I would be saying that the testosterone would be supporting and strengthening your immune function, and it would also be making the body more resilient. I think that when you have we know that when you have low testosterone levels, your body is more prone to inflammation, your immune system is weaker, you have other inflammatory issues going on. So I would be saying that using testosterone replacement should be, it's definitely not like a bulletproof vest for COVID, of course not. But I'd be saying that you'd be in a better position being on TRT than you would be if you were hypergonadal and not being on TRT, if you contracted COVID. But of course, there is going to be so many other factors that would be at play in terms of someone's outcomes.